Hello everyone, and welcome to AH214 reimbursement methodologies. Today we will talk about workers' compensation. Your chapter reading is chapter 17. Workers' compensation is a benefit that pays an employee for time away from work because of a work-related injury. The Occupational Safety and Health Act of 1970 was established to ensure safe and healthful working conditions. It gave the federal government authority to set and enforce safety and health standards. Federal and state laws require employers to maintain workers' compensation coverage to meet minimum standards, covering a majority of employees for work-related illnesses and injuries. The federal workers' compensation program covers civilian employees of federal agencies. Federal agencies must have safety and health programs that meet the standards as private employees. OSHA monitors federal agency and responds to workers' complaints. The program provides medical treatments, lost wages, rehabilitation for workers who are injured in the workplace or have acquired occupational diseases. State workers' compensation program plans. Each state has its own rules that governs workers' compensation and administers their own programs. All states must have two types of benefit, one for medical expenses and the other for lost wages. The injured worker. An injured worker has the right to receive care necessary to treat a work-related injury or illness. The injured worker has the responsibility to tell a treating physician of record how the injury occurred and if it is believed to be work-related or prior to receiving medical treatment. An injured worker may not sue the employer after receiving workers' compensation benefits. There are different classifications of workers' compensation cases. Medical treatment, the employee is treated for a minor illness or injury and returns to work within a few days. Temporary disability, treatment for illness or injury as well as payment for lost wages. Permanent disability is illness or injury in which a provider has determined that the employee's illness or injury has stabilized, but they are permanently impaired and unable to return to the position held prior to the illness or injury. Vocational rehab claims that the covers expenses for rehabilitation for temporary and permanent disability cases. Vocational rehabilitation retains an ill or injured employee so they can return to the workforce, although the employee may be incapable of resuming the position held prior to the injury or illness. Survivor's benefits are death benefits paid to eligible dependents. Benefits are calculated according to the employee's earnings capacity at the time of the illness or injury. The ombudsman is, there are many times that the injured worker needs assistance with the workers' compensation claim. The ombudsman is a division worker within the Workers' Compensation Department of Health Insurance Ombudsman that assists workers with a claim at no charge. They can offer assistance if the worker has not hired an attorney to represent them and does not have any other type of representation. Some of the duties include provide information to help decision making, communicate with employers, payers, and providers on the worker's behalf, help present facts and evidence at dispute resolution proceedings, and give information on how to submit an appeal. This has been an overview of workers' compensation. Have fun this week and let me know if there's anything I can do to assist. Thank you.